A very good morning, my dear children. Today again, I welcome you all for online classes, and today's topic will be how to write a notice. What is a notice? Notice is a written information for a particular group of people. You must have seen in the school also. Suppose being a monitor of your class, you want to convey some information to all the students of your class. So what do? You write a notice on a piece of paper and you display it on the display board so that everybody can read it. Okay, so how to write it, what is its correct format, and how many words it should be written, and what is the correct way to write it, that we are going to learn by this discussion. So let's start our work. Okay, now let's talk about the format of a notice. Whenever we have to write a notice, we have to keep some of the important points in our mind. And the most important is that we have to put the notice in a box. Remember it, that we have to make a box, and inside that box we have to write the notice. Now inside the box you can see on the top in the middle, first of all we have to write the name of the institution or name of the school in capitals. Remember, this has to be written in capitals, and then below that the word notice again in capitals. Correct? Then below that on the left hand side we have to write the date, and you all know how to write the date. First of all, the name of the month starting with a capital letter, then date, comma, and then the year. Then below that we have to write the heading or the title. What is it? As we write in application also, the subject means the main idea for which we are writing it. Okay, so we have to write the heading and title, that also we can write in capitals, and below that the main body or the content of the notice has to be written. What is that? That is that what is the information, that information has to be written in this part of the notice. That is given, the clues will be given in the question, that what message or what information has to be conveyed, that has to be written in this part of the notice. And while writing the body or the content of the notice, we have to be very much particular that we will not be using the personal pronouns like I, we, you, etc. Okay, so we will be talking about this when we will be taking the example, or we will be writing the notice in complete way. Okay, so just remember the format first. So what is the next part after completing the body or the content? Below this, on the left hand side, signature, name and designation. And for you people, you students can write only the name and designation, right? The person who is writing the notice, that person will be writing the name on the left hand side, and below that the designation. Do you know what is designation? Designation means what that person is. For example, being a monitor, you are writing monitor of the class, you are writing this notice. So your designation will be monitor of class 5. Okay. Similarly, being head boy or head girl or house captain, you are writing this notice. So your designation will be written in the same manner as it is given in the question. Okay, if you are a head boy or a head girl, you will be writing the same in the part of designation. So this is the format for the notice. At the same time, I would like to tell you that how the marks have to be distributed during your exams, right? Suppose the notice carries 5 marks. So how the marks have to be distributed for the different parts of the notice? So in the beginning you have seen, you have written name of the school, then is notice, then is date, then is heading or title. These 4 things carry 1 mark in total. It means 1/4 for each part, right? And below that, body or content, it carries 3 marks. 3 marks are further divided into information, and the language or grammatical errors. So in total, this part carries 3 marks, 2 marks for information and 1 mark for language. Then signature, name and designation, it carries 1 mark. So it makes in total 5 marks. So this is the way, and we have to remember the format. After this, we will be writing a notice by taking a sample, and after that you will be doing it in your notebook. Discuss an example of a notice. The question is, your class wishes to start class library. As monitor of the class, draft a notice to be put on class notice board giving the following information. Plan to start the class library. Deposit 1 storybook each within a week. Books to be read in the 0 period. And the student who reads maximum books in a month to be rewarded. This is the question, and these are the clues given. Now you have to frame a notice by reading this question and reading these clues. And now I will be just showing you a pattern or a format already written, but some part of the notice are missing. You have to complete that on your own. So let's see. Recall the format, and we are going to write the notice. In this question, actually, as a monitor of your class, you have to inform the students of your class about the class library you all are going to start, right? And for that, what do you want? What do you need? You will be needing books. And how the books will be coming? You have to inform all the students to bring one book each, and within how much period of time? That is within a week, correct? And they will be giving those books to you, all right? So you have to inform them that they have to bring the book, one book each, and they have to deposit that book to you. And then after that, the question is when the books to be read. So that information also has to be conveyed, that the books will be read during the 0 period, right? And what will be the outcome of it? That the student who reads maximum books will be rewarded. So these are the key points of the body of the notice. So let's see how to start. First of all, you have to make a box, and on the top, in the middle, you have to write the name of the institution, and be particular that you are writing all the letters capital. Below that, you have to write the word notice again in capitals. Then you have to write the date, May. On which date you are writing, you will be putting the date, and the year you have to put. After that, the title. What is the title? The main core is you have to start the class library. So the title will be Start the Class Library. Then is the content. How to write it? The first information is to whom you have to write. This is to inform whom? The students of class 5. And what is that information? That there is a plan to what? To start a class library. Now what is the next step? Each student will deposit what? One book to the undersigned within a week, right? Books will be read in which period? In 0 period. The student who reads maximum books in a month will be rewarded. The student who reads maximum books will be getting an incentive, will be rewarded, correct? The whole body is complete, body of the notice. Then below that, your name will be coming, correct? The person who is writing this notice. And below that, the designation. And what is your designation? The person who is writing, that is monitor of class 5. So you have to complete it by writing the missing words, and you have to write this notice in your English notebook in a beautiful handwriting in the correct format. All right? And that's all for today's work. Have a nice day. Thank you.